close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no,
Well,
I don't wanna waste what's left.
It's a pleasure to have you with us. Voices are flowing. And the matchday noise at this place is truly special. The pride, the passion, it adds to a massive sense of occasion. If you're just joining us, we are already on the way. Well, he got rid because he was under pressure. Son Heung-min! Now that has posed a few awkward questions. Well, that was certainly bold, Peter. He's never short on confidence. Well, there is a look that says it all. A piercing stare. Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on. That's a modern defender's instinct from a modern coach's mindset. And that interception was most necessary. That was well played, well stopped. And it's Belletti. Messi. Still goalless at the moment. Messi. Well, that has not gone well. That has been slung wide. Son Heung-min. And he'll shoot here. Decent enough try. Son Heung-min just can't be faulted for taking on the opportunity. That sort of distance is usually up his street. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Pull it. Messi in acres of space out wide. Well cut out, no margin for error there at all. Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very... He's had a hit! It's in! Not a defender in sight. He had all the time in the world. Yeah, it's simply tragic defending when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation. So the first goal of the game. Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Pull it. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, good-looking ball. Now that's well seen too. Oh, there's the clearance. And it's Son Heung-min. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there. Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! And he looked every bit the assured keeper there. Cristiano Ronaldo really must be thinking what he has to do to score there. Benfica with the corner, there first. Makaleli.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Now it's Son Heung-min. And there is the half-time whistle. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal. 1-0 at the break. Whistle goes, and we start the second half. Well, if you're ahead, it's a good time to start moving the ball quicker, Peter. Entice your opponents out. See if you can open them up a bit more. Now it's Messi. Oh, played right into his path. Messi! And kept out by the most elastic of saves. Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played. Roberto Carlos. Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. It's a decent chance to counter-attack. Son Heung-min. And it's Son Heung-min. He's coming under serious pressure here.
Yeah, and if they're going to try and stop him in this fashion, Peter,
It's Salah! They've scored!
A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe.
Smiles broad and beautiful. That is a cracking hit.
that is simply tremendous. I mean, how easy would it have been to get across it or overhit it? Perfection.
So that's two now without reply.
You can really sense how important this goal was for them. They needed it. Now they have it.
Beckenbauer. Messi. Del Piero.
Real chance! It's in!
Benfica clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
We have got ourselves a game here.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now.
And here's Shevchenko. Goes looking wide. Back into the middle. Oh, that's wonderful alertness. Not pretty, but it gets the job done. Deftly away. Kimmich. Now it's Kimmich. That's really nicely played. Promising cross. Terrific header. This time surely. And he's there to belt it away. Kimmich. Oh, great ball. Oh, super ball. Oh, well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Triol makes the interception.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Not much time now for anything fresh to happen, I think. Now it's Haaland. He's had a shot! Now, who's going to be first to this? And for a moment, time stood still.
They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
Serginho. And it's Messi. Nesta gets across. So that's it. It is all over.
Well, that was close.